It's Thredup Thursday. How did that happen so fast? Today I am going to be unboxing another Thredup rescue box. This one is going to be the DIY designer box, which I love doing, so I am super excited. For those of you who are new here, my name is Christina with Stina Resells. I'm a part-time reseller through Poshmark, eBay, and the Real. For those of you returning, thank you so much. I'm excited to show everyone what is in the box. For those of you who watched my last video, which was uploaded on Monday, and I will link above, about the changes that Thredup made to the VITs for rescue boxes and adding in shipping. All of these boxes that I'm opening now were purchased before that shipping is tacked on. I did receive a response from Thredup, which I did pin in the comments of that video. They did mention that you can use your reward points to redeem for shipping. You can't use that promo code during checkout, which I know that. I've tried it, trust me, on boxes that you do get charged shipping, like the scarf boxes. But they said if you contact customer service after, then they can take that off for you. I have not tried it yet. I probably will try it when some of my rewards are coming up for expiration, and just to make sure it works, I will share that with you when that happens. Anyways, let's get into this box. Like I said, this is one that I ordered prior to that shipping increase, and so it should have been purchased. Well, it arrived last week. Let's see when I actually bought it. And this one is coming to us from Arizona. This one I ordered on June 28th. So recent. I guess it took a little while to get. I had like 6 boxes arrive last week. So, all right. This one's pretty heavy, which means there's probably some shoes in here. I'll give you a little peek as I take the tissue off. Ooh, I see some leather. I don't know if it's a bag though. Looks like it might be pants or something, but we'll see. And if you're not familiar with the designer boxes, they are 7 DIY, which means they may need repair, cleaning, upcycling for $140. So plus tax, and now apparently plus shipping. This one didn't have shipping on it though. Okay, let's take this leather piece off the top. It is a pair of pants. Really, really pretty, like khaki or cream color. Oh, this is exciting. I've never sold this brand in clothing before, but this is Bottega Veneta. How cool is that? I love the high waist and the belt across the front. Let's see if we can find the size. It is a 42, so good size. I was gonna see if this is like 100% leather. It says 100% something. Oh, I've got the puppy. I have the door open to my office today while I'm filming. My children are out of the house. My husband's at the office. It's a quiet home, so I left the door open. That may be a mistake. The puppy might be making an appearance because I hear her playing out there. Yes, 100% lamb leather. So how cool are these? I love the deep pockets on the front. Off the top, I don't see any major flaws. I hate when I say that because then I find one. Okay, I don't see any, knock on wood. I do see some little like holes right here, but I think that those are intentional. Hopefully nothing went in those and it's not missing any hardware. But the Real, if I send these in, will take items that are missing hardware. For those of you who watched the designer box collab that I was part of, I got a Zimmerman jumpsuit in that box that was missing some of the bars that go across to hold the top together, and the Real accepted it, and it's listed for sale now. So they won't list it as high, of course, but they will take them depending on what it is. All right, next up, we do have a pair of shoes, a pair of wedge silver flip-flops. The puppy is rolling a ball down the stairs chasing after it. So if it gets too crazy, I'll close the door. There is some wear on the footbed. And I think that is actually wear and not something that I need to clean up. So these will be ones that I will sell myself. And also, if you see anything in this video that you would like to purchase, you can go to my Poshmark or eBay, which are linked in the description, or you're welcome to email me at stinaresells@gmail.com and I will sell to you directly. And these are Prada Sport. They are, the bottoms look like they're in great shape. So overall, like pretty good, just some wear on that footbed. Let's see if I can find the size. And these are a size 40. So excellent size. How cool. I'm happy with those. Okay, next we'll go back to another piece of clothing. This one has a tag on it, which is exciting. It is Narcisco Rodriguez. I have received this brand in other boxes before. This brand doesn't resell for the most, so it's not necessarily like the best piece to get in the box. But I like the clothing, and this is new with tags, so hopefully that means it's in good shape. Looks like we have a dress, kind of in a blush pink, and then you've got the black kind of graphic going down the front, and then in the back you have the exposed black zipper. Really pretty. It looks like it's small. It's a 36. Let's see what she's made of, if I can find that materials tag. Okay, so 91% viscose and 9% elastane. So it's not like silk or anything, but it feels very like durable. So a great like work piece. This is lovely. Okay, so even though it doesn't resell for that much, I'm very happy that it is new with tags. Okay, let me give you another peek before I get back into it. And I did put some like positive vibes on this box before I opened it. I had very vivid dreams last night. Some of them were good, some of them were not good. But one of the things was that I had opened a Gucci bag. I'm not saying there's Gucci in here, but I'm hoping there's a bag. I do see a chain in the bottom, so I'm like, fingers crossed. Let's hope it's something good. Okay. Next up, look how cute these are. Oh my gosh, I love these. These are so cool. Okay, we've got a pair of Belly shoes. They feel leather. You've got this navy and like cream with the laces. I love these. I think these are so sweet. The interior looks pretty good. Bally doesn't resell for the highest, but I love it. I think they're super well made. These are 7.5. There is a little bit of scuffing here, but the Doc Martens Wonder Balsam will take that right off, or, you know, condition it right up. I don't know. I don't know what it does. That's why it's called Wonder, because we don't know. But when there's like a little scuff like that, it really, really helps. This one is also in good shape. So these are awesome. Again, a little bit of kind of scuffing back here, but not bad at all. These are in excellent condition. So again, not the highest reselling brand, but I love Bally. I think that they're such good quality, like especially the shoes and boots, really good quality. So I'm happy with those. If you guys are enjoying the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, I do unboxings every week, talk about reselling, so make sure to subscribe. Here is another pink. It looks like we do have a bag on the bottom. Okay, let's switch back to clothing. We have a Max Mara, like a essential kind of work blazer. Let's see, made in Italy. This is in a size 10. Looks like it's in good shape. so far everything in this box has been in better shape than I'm used to. So again, knock on wood, probably shouldn't say that. But I don't see anything wrong with this one. So that is good. Again, not the highest reselling brand, depending on the piece, but I'll take something in good condition any day. Okay, we're going to go with another pair of shoes. And we have a pair of, oh, okay, we've got a pair of Salvatore Ferragamo, which is pretty common to get in this box. These are loafers. I have never gotten like loafers before. I'm usually getting like, you know, comfort or ballet flats or heels. So this is my first pair of Ferragamo loafers. They are so cute, really pretty teal. You can see all the wear on the leather there. You know, this will be one that maybe I will film on my cleaning up. Some of you guys have had questions on how I kind of recolor the leather. So maybe we'll do this one because this one needs some help. These are, and there is some wear in between like the heel and the top here. You can see there's wear to this leather here. Give you kind of a better look there. So this leather has some wear here. I don't know how much I'll be able to fix that up, but for sure we can work on the recoloring of this and we'll condition these. Get those in good shape. Let's look at the size. These are also a great size. I'm getting some good sizes in this box. This is a size 10. Now it is a 2A, which means it's like extra narrow. Okay. All right, last item is a bag. It's not Gucci. Unfortunately, like my dream. But it is Marc Jacobs. I don't mind getting Marc Jacobs in these boxes, as long as it's not marked by Marc Jacobs. The only downer on this one is it is pretty worn. If you can kind of see like the corners. Like I wish it would be, of course, in better shape than this. But again, I will do a little like recoloring to the corners and then condition it. And then she should be good to go. I'm going to have to work out this chain. There's something like funky going on here. It just needs to be like kind of unkinked. The strap has all of its edging, so it looks good. Let's check out the inside. Inside looks really nice. Got like a slip pocket there. You've got spots for cards. You can see the Marc Jacobs right there. And then we have a zipper pocket right in the center. So the inside is in great condition. And I bet I can get this in pretty good shape to sell. So this is one that I will also work on, but I'm happy with this. So overall, I thought that this was a good box. I don't think necessarily that any of the items are like worth some crazy high value, but overall in good shape, some good brands. I'm actually really excited to clean these and get these rehabbed. I do enjoy that. And I don't know, the Bottega Veneta pants, maybe those are worth a lot. I haven't sold their clothing before, so I will have to look that up. Anyways, thank you guys so much for joining me, and make sure to, like I said, subscribe to the channel if you're not already so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I will have another recap for you this weekend telling you what I've sold out of some of these boxes and how much money I've made. I will see you guys then. Bye, y'all.